Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to Aleem Academy. Today we will learn how to install Latex. First of all, open your Chrome or your Firefox, any browser which you have, and go to the search bar and then type here Latex download. Okay, this website will open latex.org. Go to this website, or you can directly go to the download Latex. Okay, look here, download Latex. Just click it. Okay, download Latex page is open. Now you have to click the download page. Alright, here you have got the Latex exe file. Okay, so its issuance date is 1/28/24, and this is basic Latex. Alright, and it is 138 MB file. Alright, so you just have to download. This is absolutely free. Just click the download. Okay, the file is going to start here. You can see that this will take almost I think 30 minutes to download this file. Okay, I have downloaded the file. Alright, I have downloaded the file, and this is the complete folder, and it contains here the setup file. So you just have to click this setup file. The setup will start. First you have to click I accept the Latex copying conditions. Check this and next. Then it will ask you basic Latex or complete Latex. You have to install complete Latex. Sometimes in some computers, when it downloads, it asks you admin installation or basic installation. You have to install admin installation. I am going to install here complete Latex. Alright, anyone who uses this computer or only for the relevant person? I click it anyone who uses this computer, all users. Okay, I have E drive, so I try to install it in E drive. Yes, it's working. Okay, next it is asking performed paper is A4 and install missing packages on the fly. Okay, the install paper means that which paper is installed in your printer. Is that A4 or letter size? Any one paper which you want. You can type here A4. A4 is the regular size. Okay, then it is saying that install missing packages on the fly. There is option ask me first, no or yes. You have to click yes. When you click yes, it will automatically install the missing packages from the internet, from Google. Then next. Okay, so your installation is almost ready. You have to start it. Installation is started. It will take some time, almost maybe 15 to 20 minutes to install this program. The file is almost installed. It will just take about 1 or 2 minutes more. Till that, you can please go and subscribe my channel for more similar videos. I will give you full tutorial on Latex. Everything I will teach you on Latex. How to install Latex, how to use Latex, how to correct the errors in Latex, each and everything about Latex. Alright, your Latex is installed here. So now you have to click on next and completing the Latex setup. So just close the file. Okay, now you have installed the Latex. Now you have to install one more software, that is called WinEdit. So go to Google and type here WinEdit. a new website will open, and the website of WinEdit will open. So latest version of WinEdit is WinEdit 11. So go here, WinEdit downloads, click WinEdit downloads. It will just open the download file, and see here WinEdit 11.2 is the latest version. So you have to install this WinEdit 11.2. Click on it, it will automatically going to start. This will take about 2 to 3 minutes to install this software WinEdit. It will just download and then you have to install it. Alright, so WinEdit is downloaded, so I just open it and install it. WinEdit 11 setup, click next. I accept the terms of the license agreement, click next. Click next. Okay, now it has admin installation, private installation, portable installation. You have to click on admin installation. Okay, next. Now it will again ask you on which drive you want to install it. I just choose my drive E. You can choose any drive. Okay, WinEdit 11, and I'll let install it. Remember that WinEdit and Mikitex both work together. You have to install two of these softwares to install your Latex. Actually, finish. Okay, it will just open the WinEdit. So your Latex is open here. Alright, so you can just click here OK. Alright, so this is almost the first page of your Latex. Okay, so in the next video I will teach you how to start your first page. Okay, so this was lesson 1. Lesson 1 includes the installation of Mikitex and the WinEdit. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for your precious time.